Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video if you enjoy the content. So today we're going to be making this Easter candy dish. But the amazing thing about this candy dish is it can just keep on changing with your seasons, so stay tuned. If you remember, I made this candy dish for Valentine's and I hot glued these little things on. Well, I have a better idea so that I can keep changing it out for each season. I'm going to take these off. So take those off just like that. And I'm going to put Velcro on the front and on some little Easter for now. And then each season, I can just change out the Velcro and make it a new season. Since I painted it like white, so it's a neutral color, it can just change with the seasons. I think it will be so cute. Taking some of this hot glue off of here. Maybe. All right. So, I'm going to cut some Velcro. I'm going to cut 6 pieces of Velcro. And then I have these little flat ornaments that I got. And so I'm going to put those on the front for Easter, or for spring and spring. This is going to be my spring. So I'm going to put those on the front here. And that way it can change with each season. And then I can fill it with candy and it will be so cute. And it will just keep changing all year round. And I can use these next year for Valentine's. I'll just put Velcro on the back. Oh, how cute. That will be so cute. And then it's an easy way to change it out for the seasons. And that makes it easy breezy, and so whenever it comes to the next season, I'll just switch off the Velcro and change it out. Now that I put all my decor on each one of the candy dishes that can be changed out for each season, I'm going to decorate this up. I started by putting some Easter grass in each one of the pockets, and next I'm going to put these little berries into the top, and I've just bent them at the thing so that they'll stand up. Having trouble, but they will work once I get them in there. There we go. Okay, next I have these 2 little stuffed animals, a duck and a rabbit, and I'm going to put them in the top. They'll help to hold those in place. Oh, that's becoming really cute. Then I have my candy to put in my candy dishes. So each one I'm going to put candy in. Put my candy in my candy dishes. And now this can be changed out for each season from now on. So I can just use this one decor for every season and just change out the little decor on the front that is Velcro there. The chocolate smells good. Fill up my little pockets with candy. hold up, and there. That is just as cute as it can be for Easter. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. And so with that, I will see you on the next video.